It's a gorgeous day for a puppy woofer walk. Hi, Olive. Hi, Oliver. Hi, doggy. Hi, Joey.
Talking them out of it kind of thing.
Hi, guys. Oh, there's an oldie. There's an oldie. Good job. Look at all the doggies.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi. Joey, come on. Joey, come on. Come on, Joey. Joey, wrong people. Joey, get down.
What kind of dog is that?
It's a doodle. I believe that's golden lab and, or sorry, I'm not sure if it's golden lab and poodle or golden retriever and poodle. I think it's golden lab and poodle.
Yeah, I think lab and poodle is poodle, and then golden doodle is golden retriever. And
Is that the same type? That one?
this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's two of them, right?
Yeah, there's two. Yeah. That,
They're adorable. How old are they?
they're both the same age. They both just got their last set of puppy shots, so
Hi.
whatever that is.
How you doing?
How you doing?
They're adorable.
Yeah, it's his first day. That's why I'm
So that's
videotaping.
like a new breed of dogs, or?
I don't think